Easter to all of you. I really thank the Don Bosco Media Network for giving this opportunity for me to give a short message to all of you, my dear fathers, brothers and sisters and friends. Easter is a joy for each one of you and each one of us. Easter season beginning on Sunday, Easter, and it continues for 50 days till the Pentecost. It is an opportunity for all of us to cultivate the spirit of joy, the spirit of fearlessness, the spirit of newness. And this is the time where I would like to tell all of us, and particularly to you, my dear people of God, we are an Easter people. People who have strong faith in Jesus Christ. Because on Good Friday, the cross transformed all sufferings, all pains. But on Easter Sunday, the resurrection, this is the day where we are secured for our personal life and to receive the eternal life in heaven. And this is called Easter for us, an Easter of joy, and we are longing to be always with God. God is a loving Father who loves us so much, and He gave His only Son, that His Son will save all of us. I would like to share with you 3 important things that Easter gives us. Easter, we have to be with joyful hearts, with joyful minds. Easter brings us joy. Be with joy always. We need to rejoice always. And this is a time where the Lord Himself tells us, my dear people, be joyful. Because I have defeated the world. I have defeated Satan. I have defeated sins. I have defeated all sufferings in the world, all pains. And therefore, you need to be always joyful. Because I am a person, or I am God who brings joy to all of you. And this is what we need to have, or be a rejoicing heart in our life. Second one is that we need to be people without fear. People without fear, because on the Gospel of Saint Matthew, chapter 28, verse 5 and 10, when Jesus appeared to Mary Magdalene and to the other apostles, these are the first words Jesus said: do not be afraid. Do not be afraid. These are the words of Jesus on Easter Day. And this is the day where Jesus tells us we should not be panicked. We should not get discouraged in our life. We should not be disappointed in our life, because I am your God. And therefore, we should not be afraid in our life. Yeah, there are many times when we are sick, we get discouraged. There are times in our life when we lose jobs. We didn't get other opportunities. We said, oh, we have lost everything. My dear people of God, we lose nothing, because Jesus is our God. Jesus provides us. And therefore we need to have a sense of strong faith, strong confidence in our God. Jesus is a resurrected God who gives us this joy and who tells us, do not be afraid, I am always with you. And that's called Easter. Easter tells us, do not be afraid, my dear people, because Jesus is always with us. The third one which I want to tell you is that we have to have what I call and look things with new eyes. New eyes means we need to renew ourselves. In the book of Revelation, chapter 21, verse 5, it tells us that all things Jesus makes all things new. That means Easter is just like the springtime. And just 2-3 days we received the rain. And we were longing for this rain, because this rain will bring up new shoots. And this rain will give us new life. And we could see the people so happy to see the greenness that will bring to the world. And that's called Easter. Jesus brings all things new. And that's what we have to have hope in Jesus. And therefore we need to renew our life every moment. We need to share all the joys that we have with others. The things that we need to share with others, because Jesus gives us always new things in our life. We have to have strong hope in Him. Yeah, during the pandemic like last year, we couldn't celebrate Easter. But this year, we are able to celebrate the Easter here in our land. And we thank God for this. And this is called, we are an Easter people. People filled with joy. People who are not afraid of anything. And people who will like to bring new life to others, just as Jesus did to all of us. And this is my wish to all of you, that this Easter season, 50 days we are going to spend with our risen Lord, and we should not get discouraged. We should not get disappointed, because He is our God. He is our Lord. He is our Master. He is a teacher. He is the one who gives us new life, who gives us new hope. Let's have faith in the Lord, and let us really surrender ourselves to Him totally. So once again, I wish you a very, very happy Easter to each one of you, and I pray for you, and I offer the Holy Eucharist for each one of you in this day. Today is Sunday, and the days to come for 50 days. I really pray for all of you, that we may have strong hope in the Lord, that we may have the love for God and love for one another, and let's have a joyful life and give a life for God and give a life for others. Once again, thank you. May the risen Lord bless you all.